Hello traders and welcome to another video analysis. Today is Wednesday, 4th of the August 2021. Let's take a look at the Forex calendar for today. Unemployment rate and employment change data from the New Zealand had been published overnight. The unemployment rate for the second quarter was better than expected at the level of 4%. While the forecast was 4.4% and the previous reading was 4.6%. Employment change was better than expected, 1% versus 0.7% forecast and 0.6% quarter-to-quarter previous reading. Plenty of other data, including the PMI manufacturing data from the New Zealand has been published, so we will see how the market reacted on this data. Market services PMI and market composite PMI data had been published overnight from China. Both of them had beat the market expectations, 54.9 versus 50.6, and the composite was 56.1 versus 50.4. So we definitely will take a look at the gold as well. And today plenty of data from the Eurozone in form of the PMI composite and PMI service data. Spain, Italy, France, Germany, and of course UK, together with the Italy and the whole European Union. As you can see, early in the morning we got this PMI data scheduled for the release. During the New York session, we have the ADP non-farm employment change data scheduled for release 2:15. And we have, of course, ISM services PMI, composite PMI, and final services PMI data from the US scheduled for release 3:45 and 4 p.m. At the end of the day, 4:30 p.m., we got the crude oil inventories data release for all of you crude oil traders. So I think we should definitely take a look at the New Zealand dollar, of course, and then we will take a look on the euro and gold and American dollar, of course. So what is going on the New Zealand dollar? This market has hit the Fibonacci projection level, so that's fine. We got the A, B, possibly C wave had been completed here at the level of, let me just point it on the chart, a little bit below the support zone, 6,880. So that's the key technical support level. There was a very hard battle for this zone here between 6,941, 6,972, and because this zone was very narrow, there was some sort of the violation, and a new lower low was made just around 60 pips lower. Then we have a bounce, and yesterday's we had a very nice move up towards the 7,000 pips level. Breakout had been made today, and New Zealand dollar is heading towards the next target, which is the supply zone located between 7,097 and 7,113 pips. So this is still the key zone for the New Zealand dollar. ABC correction is completed. We might be in the first stages of the impulsive advance, and please let me just put this trend line here. Let's make it as usual orange in color, so there is no doubt that maybe this move up will be going even higher after 7,113 level is violated. Maybe it will go towards the trend line to test it and eventually break it. The next technical resistance is 7,250 pips. So far it looks very nice. Momentum is above the 50 level, pointing upwards. It's a strong momentum, 57 points. Of course, the price confirms the momentum. So bulls are temporarily in charge of the New Zealand dollar. We are looking for the higher levels. What is going on the euro to the British pound? Euro to the British pound doesn't do much. and despite the fact that it was trading for more than 3 months inside of this channel, we recently had a breakout. As you can see, the recent high was made around the level of 8,668, but it was never the key technical resistance 8,722, 8,739 has never been violated. Market reverse, we have the bearish engulfing pattern, and we are back inside of the channel. A new low was made, marginal low, because it's not that much lower. Nevertheless, it was made. Low is 8,499, and we are looking for the 8,471 as the next target for the euro to the British pound. USD and Swiss franc, what is going on here? Yes, we have hit our target. We have hit the level of 61%. We even violated this level recently, so our scenario of ABC reversal must materialize today or tomorrow, or this scenario is of course invalidated then. So right now 50% has been of course violated, so now 68 is the next target. 78%, very rare and not that strong Fibonacci retracement level. 8,998 pips, maybe that would be the level of a reversal. The momentum is still negative, is still weak. We are getting closer towards the 30 points level, so please consider the fact that if there is another red candle to the downside towards 8,998, then of course the chances for reversal are very small. And this scenario, the up scenario, in order to continue this first up wave, might never materialize. So this is how it looks like for the USD to the Swiss franc. And what is Bitcoin doing, right? What is Bitcoin doing? The digital gold. The digital gold has hit the level of 42,000. The high was 42,369. As you can see, this is our supply zone, indicated located between 41,188, 43,033, and there is long-term, mid-term trend line resistance as well. The price went towards this zone, but the rally was capped. We have the clear reversal pattern, then the confirmation, and today's it looks like we are going even lower to test the level of 36,520, which is the nearest technical support for Bitcoin. If we break and close the daily candle below this level, that means we are still inside of this range. The range has expanded a little bit, and our scenario, which is the current scenario in terms of the Elliott wave, is that from that low, okay, so there's the low, this is wave A, this is wave B, this is wave C over lesser degree of course. So this ABC pattern, as you can see, might be completed somewhere here. That means we have the irregular flat correction, and if this wave keep unfolding in impulsive way, okay, then of course there is some sort of the assumption that it might be a wave 1 to the downside, okay, but we will see how the market will react on 36,520. Momentum reversed. We are very close to the level of 50 points, which is the neutral level. 50 points is right here. And please notice that if we hit this level, then of course that would mean the market will be under the influence of under the influence of the supply side of the trade. So right now still positive, but not that strong at all, and the level of 36,520 is the key technical support for the price Please keep an eye on this level in order to see whether there will be a bounce and another up wave, or there will be a breakout, and this will mean that our ABC scenario will be in charge and it will be completely confirmed by the price action. That's everything for me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys tomorrow. Take care and bye bye.